Guys, this is part 2. Okay, we are gonna be telling you what happened to the Smussy's arm. Okay, guys, basically, this is what happened.
She was keeping me tight and
On the bed.
and so on the bed and I pulled it and she started crying and she couldn't move up. So I took her to a hospital for 3 days and I was lying by the feet like for 3 days. 3 days. From this little naughty child. Ahara. Woo!
Guys, as you can see,
birthday.
we'll give you a close up of her arm.
Like yours.
Everyone send love for her. Send love for her, please.
This is the arm. That's arm. That's the arm.
Send love for her, please. She's in so much pain, guys.
Can she wear this?
Leave it, Kendra. Let her wear the thing that you're wearing. The hair thing. Okay.
Oh.
Guys, these are my two sisters. Between like you, my sisters. No? These are my two sisters. This is the youngest. And it was basically a birthday in December. But my mother's sister, her birthday was last week, but she wasn't here last week, so now we are having a big party. So we are basically just gonna have a nice brunch, and if you live in South Africa, the prize is on every single night on Saturday. Am I right, guys?
Yes.
Give Sassy kissy. Give Sassy kissy.
But do that can make me.
It throws you down just to see if you stand again.
I literally gave her a kiss just now for
After I mocked you for being poor.
Okay, guys. As you can see, she can't move that much. So yeah. And by the way, I got a new bed.
And the other thing is she wanna
That is the
run
thing.
the walk, but we don't allow her to walk.
Our mom says
Like
she is
yours
gonna. If she runs, her arm is gonna pain more. So we
Can
just
you
let her walk sometimes.
Okay, so this is the thing where she put around her arm. I can like show you how it is. And here she is, guys. Like really
Guys,
now.
I just put the cute
We
little
just
elephant on. Look what we are literally
famous.
watching.
She's just watching this.
We came to film just now, guys. So that's it.